Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Nmap latest version and Zenmap on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the terminal, then update the packages, sudo apt update. Now install Nmap, sudo apt get install Nmap. See, it is going to install these packages and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Nmap. Control it. Now verify the version Nmap hyphen version. See, we have installed Nmap 7.94. Okay, if you want to find the Nmap commands, just you need to give Nmap hyphen help. See, these are the this is the description and options, and see here we have the few examples. Now we will install Zenmap. Zenmap is the GUI tool for the Nmap. Control it. Sudo apt install Zenmap. Type of a confirmation, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Zenmap. See, we got the Zenmap. Now see, here we have the different scans. Okay, first we have to provide the target. Based on the target, here command will change. If we change, this is the intent scan. If we change ping scan, see, command changed. Okay, so go through each one and you can practice. Okay, so intent scan, click on scan. See, we are receiving output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install both Nmap and Zenmap on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.